everyone. Hello, how are you everyone? Welcome to my channel Vandana Dubey Home Cooked Food. Today I show you how to make the palak paneer. Palak means spinach and paneer is cheese. So I teach you how to make the palak paneer. This is the spinach. 250 gram spinach I buy, and this spinach we call baby spinach, and I clean already, but one more time I clean, and I will tell you, when you buy the big one, you take the stalk like that, this one. So this is the baby spinach, so we not take the stalk. This is the already very good. So what I do, I clean one more time, and when we clean the spinach is very important, clean like that, you know, not pour the water and just clean it. Other vegetable is okay, but the leaf vegetable always clean like this. So if there is anything, just in bottom. So now I put in the boiling water. I don't cook the spinach, I just add in the boiling water for 2 minutes only. If we cook too much, the color is not come, and also the overcooked spinach have not much flavor. So just leave it 2 minutes, and when I add the spinach here, in the same time I add just like a 2-3 pinch salt. Here we cook the spinach only 2 minutes, and now the water is already boiling, so I just turn off my gas. This side I show you what we need for this recipe, what ingredients we need. This is the onion, I chop in small pieces. Garlic, so 1 chop onion, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. We have very small cloves of garlic, but you use 2 cloves is enough, because I know in other country have the big garlic, but in India have very small garlic available. So sometimes we buy the big garlic. And this is the cumin seed. Green chili, half green chili I take it, not much because this is spicy one. So half green chili and chop it in small pieces. Salt. This is the cheese. Cheese you chop in your depend your like you like to chop the square and like triangle. This is your decision how you like to chop the cheese. Coconut powder, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon chili powder. This is the butter, fresh coriander, fresh cream. I don't buy the cream in the market, I make in home from my fresh milk. So this is the fresh cream, oil, ghee. So now I take from the boiling water this is spinach, and when I take this spinach, I add some chilled water to cool down quickly. When is the cool down, and I just just take all water and make a paste. When I make the paste, I add just 1 inch ginger and make a paste. Here I start cooking. So I already on my gas heat the fry pan, and this is the soya oil I use, not the mustard oil, and only 1 tablespoon oil. This is not much. In this recipe we not need the much oil. And when we add the oil, the same time we add the ghee. Ghee is clarified butter, but you also use the normal butter. This butter you can add it. First I add the cumin seed. Friends, in this recipe we not need much spices, because spinach have such a very good flavor, so we not need the garam masala and other spices, and very quick to cook. So this is the garlic. Garlic we fry like 1.5 minutes. When the golden brown color is come, Then we add the onion. So friends, today is very hot weather, and last video you see I always put the my comfort clothes like kurti or some Punjabi suit, but today I put the sari. I love sari very much, and this is my favorite wearing clothes, and this is my culture, you know. But I'm a lucky person. I wearing the sari, but in India not everyone is lucky. It's still in a small town. In-laws parents is not allowed to wearing the sari for the every woman. But I am lucky. Last few years ago, my in-laws allowed to me put other clothes also. So now I add the onion, because garlic is golden brown color, and this onion we fry. Not very much we fry. Just pink color is come like 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes we fry. At the same time we also add the chili. Green chili. So I talking about the sari. Sari is the 6-meter sari. Indian people know about the sari, but this is I tell about for my other friends who live other country. So this is the 6-meter sari, and we have blouse like this, and also under we put the skirt, and then we wear the sari. This is the uncomfortable in the summer time. But I feel very comfortable with sari. I love sari, to wearing the sari when I cook. But now summer is coming, very hot weather is coming. So you don't see any more. I think in some video I put the sari. Whenever the good weather, then I put the sari. But I also use the comfort, you know, comfortable clothes. So now onion is golden color is come. I add the spinach. So this is I make a paste. So there is the spinach and just 1 inch ginger. Ginger also you chop it and add it the same time when we add the garlic and onion. But this is your choice. The same water, which is the cool water I use for the cool down the spinach. I just use half a cup water, not much, to clean my mixer jar, because there is lots of spinach. This is a very good recipe. So I do like this. Friends, never waste the food. Now we realize much, because lockdown, not available anything very easily. No job, no business. So never waste the food. So this is we fry again 2-3 minutes. But now I add the salt. Just half teaspoon salt I added, because I add the same time when we boil the spinach, I add few pinch, like 2-3 pinch I add the salt that time also. And now I add the chili, coriander powder and cumin, the dry fried cumin powder. Mix it and cook just 2 minutes. Spinach is already like half cooked. And now I add the cream. This is the fresh cream. So 1 tablespoon cream I added. Just leave it like that. At the same time we add the 1 teaspoon coconut powder. Now I add the cheese, paneer. I will tell you one thing. Some people like the fry paneer. They fry first and then add it. But I like very much the raw paneer, raw cheese in spinach recipe. So So this is almost done. So now I serve, and this is the ready. The paneer is ready. Please try in your home, everyone. I hope you like my recipes. And top of, I add just little bit cream, the fresh cream. And fresh coriander and the butter. So this is ready now. I hope everyone try in your home.
Coconut.
And if you like to coconut, you add it like this. Normally I add coconut. Palak paneer is ready, and this is a very easy recipe. Please try at your home. Thank you to watching my video. Namaste everyone.